Hello student, let us continue exercise 6.2. Now we discuss question number 2. Find the HCF of the following numbers by common prime factorization method. Now we discuss A part 64, 96. Exercise 6.2. Now, by common factorization method, 64 and 96 both are divisible by 9. So we take, both are divisible by 2. So we take 2. 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8, 2 8 ja 16. Now take also 2. 2 16 ja 32, 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8. Now to divide both number also. So we write 2 8 ja 16, 2 12 ja 24. Also 2, 2 4 ja 8, 2 6 ja 12, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6. Now there is no common divisor of 2 and 3. Clearly there is no common divisor of 2 and 3. So we write common divisor of 64 and 96 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. HCF of highest common factor. HCF means highest common factor. Greatest common divisor. GCD means greatest common divisor of 64 and 96 is 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 16 2 ja 32. This is your required HCF of given number. Now we discuss second part 35, 49, 60, 84. Now take 7. 7 divide all three numbers. So we write 7 5 ja 35, 7 7 ja 49, 7 12 ja 84. There is no common divisor of 5, 7 and 12. Again repeat. There is no common divisor of 5, 7, 12. So 7 is only common divisor of 35, 49, 84. So we write HCF of 35, 49, 84 is 7. This is your required answer. Now we discuss third part 32, 40, 56. All numbers divisible by 2. So we write 2 16 ja 32, 2 20 ja 40, 2 28 ja 56. Now next common divisor take 2, 2 8 ja 16, 2 10 ja 20, 2 14 ja 28. Now next common divisor take 2, 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10, 2 7 ja 14. Now we left 4 5 7. There is no common divisor of 4 5 7. Again repeat, there is no common divisor of 4 5 7. So we write common divisor of 32, 40, 56, that is 2 into 2 into 2. Hence HCF and greatest common divisor of 32, 40 and 56 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. 8 is required answer. Now we discuss F part 72, 120, 150. 2 divides given numbers. 2 3 ja 6, 2 6 ja 12, 2 6 ja 12, 2 0 0, 2 7 ja 14, 2 5 ja 10. Now take again common divisor 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 2 ja 6, 3 0 0, 3 2 ja 6, 3 5 ja 15, that is 25. There is no common divisor of 12, 20, 15. There is no common divisor of 12, 20, 15. So common divisor of 72, 120 and 150, that is 2, 3. That is 6. Hence SCF is 6. Now G part 60, 90, 135. Given numbers divided by 3. So we write 3 2 ja 6, 3 0 0, 3 3 ja 9, 3 0, 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15. Next number take 5, 5 4 ja 20, 5 6 ja 30, 5 9 ja 45. There is no common divisor of 4, 6 and 9. So we write common divisor 3 and 5 of 60, 90 and 135. Hence SCF of 60, 90, 135 is equal to 3 into 5. 3 5 are 15. 15 is your required answer. Now we discuss H part 64, 112, 144. Take 2, divide all numbers. 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10, 2 6 ja 12, 2 7 ja 14, 2 2 ja 4. Again take 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja 12, 2 2 ja 4, 2 8 ja 16, 2 3 ja 6, 2 6 ja 12. 2 8 ja 16, 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8, 2 1 ja 2, 2 8 ja 16. Again 2, 2 4 ja 8, 2 7 ja 14, 2 9 ja 18. Clearly 4, 7, 9 have no common divisor. There is no common divisor of 4, 7, 9. Hence SCF of 64, 112, 144 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. 16 is the required SCF of given number. Do question number 2 in your fair notebook of exercise 6.2. Now we repeat again this question. Number first part, given number is 64, 96. First we divide both number by 2. 2 is common factor of 64 and 96. That is 32, that is 48. Now take 2 common divisor of both number. So divide by 2 we get 16, 24. Similarly 8, 12. Similarly 4, 6. 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6. 2 and 3 have no common factor. So we take only common factor 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is 32. This is your required answer. Next number is 35, 49 and 84. 7 can divide 35, 49, 84. So we divide 35 by 7, we get 5. We divide 49 by 7, we get 7. We divide 84 by 7, we get 12. Now remaining number is 5, 7, 12. There is no common factor of 5, 7 and 12. So no common divisor of 5, 7, 12. There is no common divisor of 5, 7, 12. So we take only 7. Hence SCF of given number is 7. This is your answer. Next number 32, 40, 56. 2 can divide 32, 40, 56. That is 16, 20, 28. 2 also can divide 16, 20, 28. That is 8, 10, 14. 2 also can divide 8, 10, 14. That is 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10, 2 7 ja 14. There is no common divisor of 4, 5, 7. So we take only common divisor 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. This is your required answer. Now next, clearly 2 can divide 32, 120, 150. We get 36, 60, 75. Clearly 3 can divide 36, 60, 72. We get 12, 20, 25. There is no common factor of 12, 20, 25. Hence SCF of 72, 120, 150 that is 2 into 3, that is 6. This is your required answer. Now next, 60, 90, 135. 3 can divide 60, 90, 135. We get 20, 30, 45. 5 can divide 20, 30, 45. We get 4, 6, 9. There is no common factor of 4, 6, 9. So, no common divisor of 4, 6 and 9. So, we take only common divisor 3, 5. That is 15. This is your required answer. Similarly, 2 can divide given numbers. We get 32, 56, 72. Also, 2 can divide 32, 56, 78, 72. We get 16, 28, 36. Also 2 can divide, we get 8, 14, 18. Also 2 can divide 8, 14, 18. We get 4, 7, 9. 4, 7, 9 have no common factor. There is no common divisor of 4, 7, 9. So we take only common divisor, that is 2, 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. 2 to the 4, 2 to 8, 2 to 16. This is your required answer. Now do question number 2 of exercise 6.2 in your fair notebook. Thank you very much.